Hi everyone, I'm just sharing my thoughts about why Ethereum is so low, or it has not gone as high as everyone was expecting it to. There are many reasons. It's not just one reason. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my thoughts, what I think, just for speculation purpose, just for educational purposes, nothing else. Okay, so since we got that out, let me just share a bit. Well, unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum has various purposes. Basically, Bitcoin was meant to be a digital currency turned into digital gold, so it does not have any actual use other than being a commodity, digital commodity, just to keep your money aside. It's just like an asset, like a gold, but the digital gold. So this everyone knows. However, Ethereum, on the other hand, is not gold. It's a digital silver. In the normal scenario, gold does not have any value, does not have any use other than very small uses, in the semiconductors and all. However, silver has a lot of uses, but if you see, silver's price is much lower than gold, and a lot of people, they say the price of silver is being manipulated or controlled. That's a different discussion. However, in short, Ethereum is the same thing, going through the same phase. Ethereum is in my opinion, of course, is a digital silver. It has a lot of purposes. One, it's a commodity for storage of basically value, just like Bitcoin. Recently, it has become that. So a lot of big corporations are getting into Ethereum to keep it for long term. Other uses are basically DeFi. A lot of projects are built on Ethereum. Basically, Ethereum is the most used cryptocurrency, even more than Bitcoin, when it comes to usage. There are a lot of applications built on Ethereum, so it has a lot of uses, as well as it's used for DeFi, it's used for NFTs. 90% of all the NFT stands for non-fungible token. It's not a new thing. It's been there since 2018, I think. However, right now it has picked up momentum. To keep this video simple, NFTs are digital art or digital ownership of goods. It can be a painting, it can be a video, it can be a picture, it can be a song. It's a digital ownership, basically, digital license, you can say. So most of them are built on Ethereum. A lot of projects are built on Ethereum. So technically, when you use a project which is built on Ethereum, to transact with that project, you need to pay a gas fee. It's like when you want to go from point A to point B in physical world, you have to go with your car or with someone's car, correct? So you spend gas or you pay the cab. That is called the gas fee. So in Ethereum, to transact basically any Ethereum project, any project built on Ethereum, even NFTs, arts, to mint them or to basically buy them, sell them, you still have to pay a gas fee. And of course, the gas fees are very high right now, much higher than when they were before. For example, some transaction which used to cost $5 gas fee, that time people were saying, oh my god, the gas fee is so high for Ethereum. Right now, the same transaction costs you maybe 50 or 70 or even more gas. I have certain wallets where I have few Ethereums, and I want to put them all in a different wallet. I just can't do that because I will lose a lot of money in gas. So I just kept them as they are. So technically, gas fee is one of the reasons, but gas fee is not the reason why the price of Ethereum is low. What I think is a lot of big projects which are being built on the Ethereum blockchain are on purpose holding the price of Ethereum low. And it's not even the miners. The miners actually will get more benefit if the Ethereum that they're mining is more expensive rather than being cheap. However, a lot of projects which are basically built on Ethereum, those projects are manipulating the price of Ethereum for as long as they can so that the project will grow. Because if the price of Ethereum will go higher, they will basically have to spend more on their project. This is what I think. This is one of the reasons, of course not the main reason. And the other reason is that the big corporations who want to get into Ethereum, they are holding the price down so that they can accumulate as much as they can. I'm not sure they are waiting for certain project. For example, the stimulus check which was given to the US people, there was a date assigned to that. Similar to that, there might be something that we don't know about the big corporations. They are waiting for certain payment or certain amount of money to come in order for them to accumulate more Ethereum. The moment, mark my words, the moment they will complete their accumulation and they say that's it, we have enough Ethereum, the price of Ethereum is going to rocket high. It's gonna go to the moon, to the Mars and Jupiter and whatever you want to call it. Basically, the price of Ethereum is gonna jump high because they don't want to accumulate anymore. The pockets are full. See, there is okay, let's not get into that. Anyways, this was a message. This is what I think. Is a lot of people say that the gas prices are keeping the price of Ethereum low. That's not the truth, because come on, if you're gonna buy something for, let's say, $200 using Ethereum, $50 gas price is very high. For example, I wanted to buy an NFT for $1.5, I have to pay $50 Ethereum gas fee, which is crazy. I even have taken screenshots from it, which is crazy. I mean, of course I'm not gonna do that. However, the corporations, if someone's gonna buy, let's say, 100,000 Ethereum, 100,000 is a low amount. I'm saying 100,000 Ethereum, yeah, no, not $100,000 Ethereum, or let's say more than that, $50, $100, even $1,000 transaction fee is nothing. So the gas fee is not the main reason. The main reason is that the companies are accumulating more. So why am I making this video? Is to educate the people who are already in the Ethereum that just have patience. It is going to go up. Of course, I do not know when. A lot of people, no one knows when it's gonna go up. Just to be very frank, a lot of YouTubers, they come with the chart and they say this is Heikin-Nashi chart and this is, I don't know, I don't want to name anyone, but to tell you the truth, no one knows anything of what they are talking about. Yes, everyone can predict in the long run what's gonna happen, that it's gonna go up. On which date, whether it's Valentine's Day or Mother's Day or Father's Day, no one's can predict that. Whoever is predicting is just second guessing. It's not 100% prediction. But what we know is 99%, of course, and of course this is not a financial advice, is it is going to go up eventually. Maybe the last few days of the bull run, maybe the whole bull run, this bull run, maybe the price will fluctuate between 1,700, 1,800, but few days before the bull run is over, it will jump. That's the time when you have to take your profits and either come out or keep your coins in your wallet, but hodl it for the next bull run. That's all, guys. Let me know what you guys think, if my thoughts are correct not correct. I just wanted to share it with you guys, and have a wonderful day. Take care. Peace.